Hi, I'm here in the Terrago booth, and I know most of you are familiar with GeoPDFs, but I'm here with Scott Lee, who's going to show you some of the new developments with GeoPDFs and the technology. And in keeping with the theme of where we're going, he's going to show all of this on a mobile device. So, Scott?
Thanks, Art. So Terrago's traditionally been known as an organization that produces GeoPDF technologies. One of the themes of the primary theme of the show is actually operationalizing all of this content and this geospatial intelligence. And our theory is being able to deliver all of this content to an edge user. So we've developed an application called Terrago Edge. It's a mobile application that organizes all of open source data or existing GeoPDF technologies, or a web mapping service. So actually consume any sort of mapping content and create a notebook that'll let someone take the data to the field. So everything is connected in a connected environment initially, and then the data is aggregated and actually pushed to the edge device. So after a user creates a notebook, they're actually able to go out and add additional structured data collection capabilities to be able to bring that data back into an enterprise. So just for a quick demonstration here, this is a notebook. Here in this instance it's the Tampa Airport. They can create new maps or add another piece of mapping content directly to their notebook, digitize an area of interest to narrow down the mapping data that's actually being delivered. We save this data, and now we're ready to sync with the server, and now that data can be taken offline and the field data collection could actually take place. So here to actually collect data, it's a simple intuitive interface, and the user just selects add or the plus sign. Now the user can collect that structured data values, but also select or create unstructured data that can be attached. From that point, it can be delivered and synced up directly back to the enterprise server and shared via Dropbox or email.
Now, two questions. I'm assuming that on the data collection, you've got a data library so that you prevent erroneous entries? Actually,
we do. So there are valid values that can be pre-populated directly into the structured data. We try to mitigate some of that error by having those valid values and pull down information.
And of course, the one thing that everyone should keep in mind is that we're talking about both a connected and a disconnected environment. So if you're operating and then all of a sudden you lose connectivity, at least you can not only keep on viewing data, but you can keep on collecting data.
Exactly, absolutely. And that's one of the things that Terrago's just been known for traditionally since 2005, is to be able to take that data offline, and you don't have to rely on constant bandwidth and a connection.
Thank you, Scott. Appreciate it.
Thanks. Appreciate it, Art.